Hey fam, this is Kaiwan and I want to be straightforward with you guys. This is not a tutorial. I'm here to quickly introduce to you guys my newest Blender pack called NeonDreams. This is a pack that I personally needed for my Blender project. So me and my team decided to make a full pack of high-end premium neon lights. As you can see here, inside NeonDreams, you will get around 20 exclusive neon signs. It is a collection of wide range of different neon lights for different purposes. So here you can see we have motels, we have theater, we have cafes, bar, hotels, a lot of things you can play with. And the best part about these, they are very high detailed, as you can see, very realistic as well. These are in material viewport. Now if you go ahead, go to change the render engine to cycle, you can see all the details here. They are easily adjustable in terms of the light intensity and the light color. So you can go to shading editor and you can easily change the color of the neon sign if you don't like this particular color or whatever you want to go for, right? And we have the ones that you can just hang to pretty much any walls, or you can simply put above the building. And lastly, we have those that you can just simply put it on the side of the street. These are also available. And if I didn't mention that, you can just simply drag and drop here because it will directly be in your asset library. Here, all you have to do is just go to here, data, and you have asset browser. And to install this, but first, let me just quickly show you how easy it is to just drag and drop. So drag, drop, and then you have it. Easy as this. Drag, drop. All right, now let me show you how you can install this. It is super simple. All you have to do is just go to edit, preference, and then file path. This is where you can see your asset libraries. I would recommend you to just create a folder, know where it is. And then once you've downloaded the NeonDreams, make sure to create a folder for it. For example, that's what I did here. I've made a folder for all of my assets and then another folder to call neon sign here. And then just click plus button. Then choose where your file located. One thing to make sure that is append reuse data, not append, not link, just append reuse data. This way you'll be actually to change the light intensity and the color. And then after that, make sure to save your preference and you should be good to go. And all you have to do is just go to your asset browser and you should be able to see these neon signs. So again, drag and drop, easy as this. If you're interested, the link will be in the description, guys. And feel free to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.